Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Sagicor online banking. First, navigate to the official Sagicor website using your preferred web browser. Look for a prominent Register Now or Sign Up button, usually found near the login area. Click this to start the process. You will then be prompted to input your personal information, such as your account number and identification details. Ensure all entries match your records precisely to avoid any delays. Next, you'll need to verify your identity by providing your Sagicor account number and other specific identifiers. This step is crucial for security. After successful verification, you'll create your unique username and a robust password. Remember to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, set up your security questions and answers, which will help if you ever need to recover your account. Now it's time to personalize your online banking profile. Double-check that your contact information, including your email address and phone number, is accurate and up-to-date. You can also choose your preferred notification settings, such as alerts for transactions or low balances. Take a moment to explore the various features available, like convenient bill payment services and options for transferring funds between accounts. This helps you make the most of your online banking experience. To complete your Sagicor online banking setup, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions. Once you agree, your registration will be finalized, and you can log into your new account immediately. Take some time to navigate the platform, familiarize yourself with its layout, and begin managing your finances with ease. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy the convenience of managing your Sagicor accounts online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.